Hi, this is Ruble from Tech Review. Today I am going to show you how to fix DNS probe possible error in Chrome or other browsers. To fix this error, right-click on the network icon on the right side of the taskbar. Click on Network and Internet Settings. Scroll down and click on the Advanced Network Settings. Again, scroll down. Click on More Network Adapter Options. Now you will see all your networks. If you are using Wi-Fi, double-click on Wi-Fi. If you are using Ethernet, double-click on Ethernet. I am using Ethernet adapter, so I am clicking on Ethernet. Click on Properties, double-click on Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IPv4. Now select, use the following DNS server address. For the preferred DNS server, type the address 8.8.8.8. For the alternate DNS server, type the address 8.8.8.9. Click on OK. OK. And close. Now restart the computer. After restarting the computer, hope your problem is solved. If it did not resolve your problem, click on the Start menu, type CMD. After appearing the command prompt, click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Now one by one copy and paste this command into the command prompt. After finishing this, restart the computer. After restarting the computer, hope your problem is solved. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this. Please do subscribe to my channel. Also give a like please. Take care.